Hello friend, welcome back. We have added some amazing features in Testing Daily recently, and you will be really happy by seeing those. First of all, like if you haven't added Testing Daily, please add Testing Daily in your browser. This is a free browser plugin, and also you can install it on mobile app. It will keep you updated with all the latest testing information, blogs, article, videos, and everything. So this is basically keep you updated with all the latest testing trends and information. All the details and download links you will find it on SelectorsHub website under testing daily page. You can always check it out here. This is the page selectorshub.com/testing daily. Android, iPhone, Chrome, Firefox. For it is available for all the browsers, and you can install it on phone as well. Great. So now what are the features? So earlier we were having the YouTube feed, Medium, Reddit, Lambda test, and we have added few more. Now we have added a lot more feeds whichever has been suggested by the community, so that now it will keep you updated from all the platforms. We have added the official Selenium blog feed here, so whenever there will be any new article or new blog on Selenium website, let's say any new version comes, so here as soon as you open new tab or you open testingdaily.info, this web page, or in the app, you will immediately get that thing right there in the testing daily extension. So this is going to be very helpful. Now here you see that this is the website, so here you can see that Twitter feed is coming, blog spot feed is coming, Medium. So all these article, like what people are talking about, what new things are coming there, so those things will be coming, like what new tutorial coming on Naveen Automation Labs, Ministry of Testing, what people are talking about there, different forums, everything all the information you are getting at one place. Like what people are writing on WordPress, that also you will get it here. So we have added a lot more articles, blogs, like WordPress. If you are seeing any website, any testing website on WordPress, that feed also we have added. Official Cypress Twitter handle is added, testRigor is added, Cypress YouTube channel is there. Everything you will get the like information from all over the like testing platforms. So this is really going to be very helpful now. Official Selenium feed, Cypress feed, WordPress. So under WordPress, like pretty much all the blogs of every influencer, every tester has been added. Blogspot is also added, Twitter is also added, feed is also added. And now you see that here under customization you can all find which all feeds are added. So let's say you want to see just Selenium and official Cypress, so you can just keep it off all of them. Just to show you guys, I'm showing this, but yeah, you can keep most of them there. Now you see that these are the blogs and articles written on Cypress website, so you will write there in here in testing daily, you will get them, like what new blog came on Selenium official website. So this will be very helpful for you guys to get all the latest updates related to your favorite uh, tool, or from the influencers, or any new things, any new tool coming, that you all get from here. And then you can like just keep it off, like keep it on. We will always highly recommend that you keep everything on, so that you get the latest information from all the articles and everything. And so this was the website. Here is the extension. Here also you have the same features and all, and same in the mobile app as well. If you don't have the mobile app yet, we will highly request and recommend you guys that please install that testing daily mobile app from Play Store and App Store. And you, like whenever you have free time, just explore that. We have also fixed the login issue, and a lot more minor things, performance improvement, everything has been done. So if you have earlier faced the issue of login, like whenever you try to upvote or something like that, so if you faced that issue earlier, now we have fixed that. So we will request that still you face the issue, please log out and log in again, and after that you will not face that issue ever. Yep. Now let me show you guys how you can use it on mobile app like iPhone uh, or Android, how it looks. Just let me quickly show you, though already you guys have it. So yeah. Okay, so this is my mobile here. So here you can see that testing daily I already have, or if you don't have, you can just search here testing daily on App Store or Play Store, like this. And here you can see that. So you can install it. I already have. So let us directly open testing daily here. And you can see that here all the feeds are coming from Twitter, Blogspot, Medium, Blogspot, YouTube, Naveen Automation Lab, Ministry of Testing, Medium, then again YouTube. All those feeds, like whenever it will find the new feed, any testing new feed, it will come here and show you guys, like from WordPress. So you just keep on scrolling, you will keep on getting all the feeds. So whenever you have free time, just see here, in place of like wasting time on social media, you can see the feed here. Every time you open testing daily mobile app on your phone, it will add some value in your career, and it will like keep you updated with what's happening around in testing, like what's coming from Cypress, Selenium, what people are talking about, what new tools are coming. So this is really really helpful. So yes, like Mukesh Otwani, what tutorial he has created, what articles coming from Lambda test, and all those things you will get it here. You can same way you can customize the feed here on the mobile app as well. You see that customize options, and you will always find we are keep on adding a lot more and more feeds here. Earlier it was just Medium, YouTube, Reddit, and then we added Lambda test, then we added Twitter, Blogspot, now WordPress, now Selenium and Cypress official things are, everything is there. So you guys can check it out, and it is very very helpful. If you have any feedback, please let us know, and we'll try to make it more and more useful. It is really really helpful. Please share it in your network, and let others know about this amazing tool. This will definitely help a lot people, and will definitely save a lot more time for people. So will humble request to all of you that please do share about this amazing tool, and keep checking out, keep learning new things from this app. This is especially designed for the testers. And also you can see on top, it is showing new tool auto test data. This is the new tool we have recently launched, auto test data, which basically used to generate which is used to generate the fake test data. So this is also very helpful, do check it out. And we should keep showing this important information on the top, so this is absolutely relevant to testers. So don't think it's like a promoted one, but yes, it is very very helpful for testers. So always keep an eye on them as well, and do check out them as well. This will really help you guys a lot to learn something new. And yeah, with that, we'll always recommend that please check out the SelectorsHub website. We used to keep launching new and new tools and innovation to save more time for the community, and we keep trying to help you guys with more and more solutions. With that, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming updates from our end. And please keep supporting, keep helping. Thank you.